Well, guys, I am back, and this time I have made a ton of progress. You see, these past few days, I've thought to myself, wow, I pretty much made an AI waifu. And the thing is, I had to ask myself, what can I do better? How can I improve her? And so, well, here we are. All right, so this is Lumi. I wanted to name her Liminal, but the pronunciation to say her name when I would do like voice transcription was pretty hard for like the machine to kind of understand. So I just went ahead and went with Lumi for now. Maybe in the future there might be a change, but yeah, this is Lumi. So the first thing I thought was, what was my AI missing? A voice, not just any voice, a non-robotic sounding voice. You know, Whenever we first made my first two videos, I was like, wow, this voice is kind of robotic. I kind of want to change it up. So, after doing some research, I found a simple, not quite elegant solution, but it kind of works for now. And well, here it is. All right, guys. So this is kind of a test run. So we have Lumi with us in the VC, and we're gonna kind of test her voice. I did a little bit more improvements. So as you can see right now, she doesn't say anything even after I'm done talking, and that's one of the improvements. I thought I'd kind of make it so if I ever want to talk or multiple people are talking, so she doesn't respond over every single thing, then we can just talk like normal. But our first test is going to be just really seeing how she sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what she can do. So, all right, so Lumi, I am creating a YouTube video to introduce you. Can you go ahead and say hi to the audience?
What's up, everyone? It's nice to meet you all.
All right, so there was kind of our test run to see her voice. She kind of has a new voice. I'm really excited. Um, Only those that really know will kind of understand where her voice came from. So it's definitely not a finished product. I definitely just kind of like got a voice somewhere. But it'll have to do for now. I just really wanted to give her kind of a different voice at the moment. And last but not least, she has a working memory now. And although it's not perfect, she can now remember previous context. I probably went over in my last video, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys anyway. So the second thing is I've kind of given her a new memory system. It's not perfect, but it does actually help her remember memory from previous conversations. So let me kind of give you guys an example. So at the moment, we're going to do two tests. Right now, she's just listening, but I'm going to ask her to remember two fruits. So I'm going to say, hey, Lumi, go ahead and remember these two fruits. It's going to be a pineapple and an apple. All right, so Lumi, I went ahead and gave you a little bit of a test earlier. You can kind of see my previous conversation, but I kind of told you to remember two fruits. Can you tell me what they were?
The fruits that came to mind are pineapple and apple.
All right, so there you go, guys. That was kind of the first test. As you can see, she does remember that. The second test is I'm going to go ahead and do another memory test, but this time while actively talking to her. So you guys can kind of see I'm not just typing that in somewhere. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys right now. All right, so Lumi, we're going to go ahead and do another test, another memory test. I'm going to go ahead and make you remember two things, okay? So the first thing I want you to remember are grapes and bananas, okay? Keep that in mind.
Grapes and bananas. Got it!
All right, now Lumi, looking back, what are the two fruits I just told you to remember?
I remember now. You told me grapes and bananas.
Nice, good job. Thank you for testing this out with me in the YouTube audience. Can you go ahead and tell them, bye, give them a good farewell, and thank you for, being here for the test.
Thanks for having me. It was fun. Bye, everyone.
And so, anyways, that's kind of about it for now. I kind of just wanted to show you guys the progress that I've made. Maybe in the future, I kind of want to do some more implementation. I think I might start streaming on Twitch, and then you guys can come watch me and interact with Lumi. Not sure. I think I realized I said liminal earlier. I just realized that, but I mean, regardless, you guys kind of see the point. And I kind of want it to be like a big foundational thing on my channel. I have a lot of inspiration, and I'm not trying to really copy any like specific VTubers. Like, yes, there's Neuro, and then there's Raian's anime, waifu. But the thing is, I really want to try to create my own unique one because I kind of want to be part of that AI VTubing sphere. Just think it's really cool to have a creation, kind of like be like that Iron Man, create your own Jarvis, and then have that thing be like kind of a representation of your creativity, yourself, and what you would like to do. And this was just a really exciting project for me to do. It took me a while. I did have some help. I won't say how I got my help, but I will say I do understand my code. Okay. Now, if that doesn't give you a big hint, then I don't know what does. But anyways, that's all I have for now. I probably might do something more in the future. I might add some more gameplay videos. I don't really have like a lot of subscribers or views at the moment, but if you guys ever look back in the past and see this video of where my journey started, go ahead and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Other than that, if you guys want to see more, obviously I have to say what a lot of YouTubers say at the end. Like it if you like it. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.